This is just a really quick update on the little wine barrel patio pond with the bog filter. I think it's been about 12 months since I built this. At the time I'm recording this, it's the end of winter, start of spring. The white clouds are still doing really well, pretty active. The water's still really nice and clean. I haven't cleaned this at all. I haven't even emptied the bog filter yet. A couple of times the little sponge there that's keeping the fry safe got clogged. That's the only, I unblocked that, just gave that a rinse in some water. The impatiens are pretty well shagged, being that it's the end of winter, so I'll put some new ones in this year. I cut one back because it was dropping its leaves everywhere. That pink one's kept going, so I'm curious to see if it'll start up again now that it's spring. But anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, see ya.